After we've completed critically appraising all of the studies that we've included into our systematic review, we can export the results of that critical appraisal by clicking this Export DocX button. After the file has been generated by Summary, we can open it in Microsoft Word. With the file now downloaded, I can open it, and you can see the results of my critical appraisal that I went through for each study. So as you can see here, this is the citation details, and these are the results to each of the 13 questions asked in my critical appraisal checklists for randomized controlled trials. If I were to critically appraise both randomized controlled trials and, for example, a cohort study, then the results for the cohort studies will appear in a table down below.